Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the JBL Bar 9.1 with the Sony HT-A7000. I'm going to share with you some important things in regards to specs. So the really important thing about the Sony that I wanted to share is that it's just a bar. So you need to add a subwoofer and rear speakers, and it can get like really expensive. So this is the first thing about it. Now I saw this ratings.com when you're going to write it on Google and you're just going to write these two products. Here you are going to find they make like one of the best comparisons right now on the whole space of writings and YouTube. And right here they just wrote that with Sony you had worse music, worse movies. So this is another thing. Also, a build quality is a little bit better for Sony. Then the sound is just a little bit worse for Sony comparing to JBL. And you can see like the stereo dynamics, then also stereo total, harmonic distortion, center, and all these things also like around 5.1, the height. So as you can see, that's something you have to be aware of. And they are supporting like a lot of things like the Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital, and things like that. And you can see right here they're supporting most of the things. So just wanted to make this quick video for you. The another thing is the video pass-through to TV is better for the Sony because you're getting 120 Hz. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.